Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm from team iWaffle, and today I'm going to introduce you a new product called Home. And of course, you must be wondering what I'm holding in my hand. Actually, that's a mystery. Trust me. I'm just going to give it here. So, moving on. I'm Omar, and this is my brilliant team. And before everything, let's go for a quick video. Okay, so that's a very brief video, but it gives a lot of meaning because this is something that we all go through pretty much everyone in our lifetime. Because housing, so house is a very big investment in both monetary as well as in social terms. When you build a house, you can live in there forever. So the problem with our housing industry is that it follows a very traditional approach. We are all confined to newspapers, going through millions of pages, looking for different houses. And also there are things like Ikman, but still it does the same thing, maybe a little bit faster. But we want something more interactive. With this technology, we can do something more interactive. So what we are going to do is exactly just that. The solution is something called Home. So Home. So what is Home? Home is a location-based. Home is an app which gives location-based result on your real estate. So let's say you start your work, let's say at Dala. So you want a new place to stay. So what you usually do is you have to go through pages again, say okay, Union Place. You have to go and look for millions of pages. Maybe the location is not in the Union Place, maybe some 5-6 kilometers later. So but in this case, based on your location, you can just check around you in the 10-meter radius, what are the possible listings that you can have. Maybe an apartment, based on your requirements, you can have enhanced filters, maybe the rooms that you need. And also the best thing is that you can experience all this in AR, which I will demonstrate later. And the technologies that we are using is Euphoria and Unity for AR applications, and also Android Studio and Firebase for the Android application, and it will be hosted on Amazon Web Services. So as for the telco APIs, we will be using Zenith's SMS API to send information regarding housing properties that they are interested in forms of SMS, and also CAS, which is charge as a service to gather revenue, and also LBS means location-based services. Whenever your GPS is not on, to save power, we will be using LBS, and also we'll be using a subscription API to gather members. So the business model is really completely free for the consumer, no cost on them. So we'll be collaborating with housing contractors to get their housing models on board so that both consumers get more benefited, and also they will be based on pay-per-view. That means if you have 0 views on your advertisements, you will not be charged. But maybe 10, 20 views, we will have to charge a small amount like 2-3 rupees. And also there will be premium features like AR and VR, which will be paid. So let's go for the demonstration. So I have my Android application here. Let me just quickly mirror it. So let me do a demonstration. So I'll be going on the AR. So so this is what this target is used for. So this is my webcam of my application. So yeah, so you can see now this is a house in construction progress. So you can just walk around and see everything rather than just confined to a rather than just confined to a 3D model. You can just walk around and see how it really turns out. And also another feature is this is for a completely built house. So you can just walk around and see how it all turns out in the real world. So we can scale it up, but given the conditions, I have made it a little bit smaller because it's hard to demonstrate on stage. But you can also go for a real world scale and get a glimpse of what you can actually do with it. And also we have included the Zenith's SMS as a service by just simply sending a small text called home. You can give the latest information regarding all the places around you in SMS form. So you can see it's already there. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much guys. Over to the judges.